Hello everyone, so I wanted to share a problem I've been having with the KS8586 soldering station. Now, the hot air part of it works perfectly, but the soldering iron has got some sort of mysterious problem with it, which I just cannot figure it out. So the soldering iron came fully assembled and everything, that was fine. So I then unscrewed it and tried to put a different tip on it, and then when I try to put it back together, it just does not go back together, even with the original tip. Because the problem is, when I try to put it back together, it's like some part of it has morphed into a different size. That bit there should go all the way down, but it just doesn't fit on. And then when I try to put this on here, it just will not go. It just will not screw because there's not enough space for it. I have no idea what's happened. And if I put this on the other way, that just makes it even longer. As you can see, there's an even bigger gap, and there's just no way that's going to fit on. So I have absolutely no clue what has happened to it in order to cause that to happen. It's very, very strange indeed. I've taken it apart several times and I just have not got a single clue what it could be. It's like something has changed length, and it's not like the heating element's sticking out further than it should. Because it wouldn't matter if the heating element was shorter. It's like it's been blocked by this part here. It's like this part has gotten longer somehow, so I don't know, it's a very strange mystery.